All right, so this video is for my governor, right honorable elder Sheriff Oborewori. Daddy, you know I be in-house person, so some things dey when I no go talk for this video, but I go just make points so that you go get wetin I dey talk. First of all, since you become governor of Delta State, the entertainment sector would not suffer a lot of things. If you never sign money at all, give entertainment, you don't sign more than 500 million, give entertainers. And this money when you sign, so now two people you sign the money for, Arisong and Godons. Now individually, they do different projects. Now the truth be told, apart from this beauty pageant project, when you say one person they benefit at the end of the day from that project, which is the winner of the pageantry, when they get either car and money where they give them. The rest of the project, I cannot pinpoint the impact on entertainers. Now, I'm making this video because I am an appointee and I am part of the system. And because of the fact that they're part of the system, you don't make when talk they go around now. My name the day inside. Na de kevi sap. Just now, Arisong do one event for Saple when we go to festival. When this event they come up, Arisong want to do the event. I talk with somebody. I say, okay, after this event, say, don't worry, when the money come, we go plan, we go know how we do it. Yours truly, the money come. I don't even know. Now, person here, I tell you, say the money don't come. I meet Arisong. After Arisong say, you don't need anybody. Only I'm going to do event. But this event, now, appointees, now I suppose execute this event, even though the money they signed to the EA. Now, for the EA to work with the appointees. But it has never been so. It is not a system of, if this one see money, any I want to do the money, nobody reach to talk to them. If this one see money, any I want to do the money, nobody reach to talk to them. Now, that is not even my problem. You carry your memo, go, they sign money, give, it's none of my business. But you see that money where they sign, give you. That money not be your money. Now, state money they give you. And they say, may you go do project. And the appointees, when they under you, they are not allowed to even raise a memo on their own because there is an instruction say, work with your EA. Now the EA will say more work with. Now once money enter the hand, you go call this one, you not go pick up. You call that one, you not go pick up. It's as if you want beg there to even be a part of what they want to do. Now what do they do? At the end of the day, using Saple event as a case study, for the Saple event, I spoke to two things and I told two things. I said, these entertainers, we need to gather them so that they go do one place again information. We see those and those who go fit perform for the event. I did that. I put these people together in the WhatsApp group. Told them that, look, the festival is coming to Saple. For the first time, governor said they can do something given now. At least this will go reach all of on our hand. Small thing, not many, but all of us go laugh at the end of the day. You could go reach everybody. These boys were happy. But what did I get from it? Now they say, me, Arisong come, he say, me, they fight them. Say, why I go create group? Who send me? Waiting go make a create group. Why I not tell him? I reason the thing. I said, okay, now Arisong get project. I suppose tell him. But me and person went talk, they close to Arisong. Two things, you are close to Arisong. So anything I they do when you give me permission to do, you say when BSSA, go tell Arisong, say, Kevin, I don't gather the entertainer, so I go be. I bring budget up. The budget when I bring, I calculate the full budget. The money not reach, it not even reach 10 million. I say, Baba, make these people feed the impact. This small thing share give them. But at the end of the day, I became the bad person. Now me want collect project from you. Now me want do it, they not send me. That was the main reason I withdraw myself from that Saple Ukodo festival. I no come. Even when it be okay, the means for me to come was there. But who get project say, yeah, no, I didn't say anything. I stepped back. Now, Arisong, this money when they give you, if you spend 20 million from the money, you go still make profit. If you spend 30 million from the money, you go still make profit. But what is this greed all about? That you are giving good amount of millions to do a project and you can't cut out to say, I'm using XYZ to do this project. But at the end of the day, you want micromanage the project. You want micromanage. Not be say the micromanage so you want help government save money. You want micromanage to save money for your pocket. Now, another painful thing, they could give una money We will be on our colleague. We could come be like one beg on her to collect money from now. Of the amount of millions they gave you just now at the song, how much you send your colleagues? You send money finish. Now you say, Mona, hold that one first. When the event finish, I go give you the money. Now the event don't finish. Then they call you now, you know the pick up. The first person will call you, tell us you spend the full money for the project. See, SLSC, I can't fight you. Because you appoint me my principal, I can't fight you. But the truth is, until any of these my videos reach your hand, I will continue to do this video till when we decide to do what is right. My own entertainers are the fight for. Every entertainer in Delta State must feel the impact of this Ukodo. It must reach their hand. Call it entitlement. They are debtors. They are entitled to it. This one are part one. Until you answer me, I will continue to do video till when you answer me.